Are you aware that roller shutters are crucial for your business's safety? These essential barriers protect your premises, but they require regular upkeep. Imagine a breakdown occurring right when you need your shutters the most. That's why booking your annual roller shutter service is vital. Regular maintenance ensures your shutters operate smoothly, reducing the risk of unexpected failures. This proactive approach saves you money and keeps your business running without interruptions. Annual servicing does a lot more than just fix minor issues. It ensures compliance with safety regulations, which keeps your staff and customers safe. Maintaining your roller shutters will also extend their lifespan, ultimately protecting your investment. Here's what you can expect from a professional annual service. First, engineers perform a full inspection of all moving parts. This step identifies any potential problems before they escalate. Next, they lubricate and adjust components to ensure smooth operation. Safety checks are a critical part of the process, ensuring that your shutters comply with legal requirements. Following this, technicians may carry out minor repairs and provide recommendations for any additional services needed. Finally, you receive a detailed service report, keeping you informed of your shutter's condition. HVP Security Shutters has over 30 years of experience serving Devon, Cornwall, and Somerset. Our dedicated team responds quickly to your needs, providing exceptional service wherever you are located. Don't wait for an unexpected breakdown that could cost you time and money. Contact HVP Security Shutters today to book your annual roller shutter service. Protect your business, ensure safety, and keep your shutters in top condition.